Hi, I'm Paris Norris, I'm 39 and I've come to Dr. Joy's to remove and change a cap that was on this tooth here. It's been there since I was a kid because my real tooth underneath is a bit deformed and it chipped. So they've removed it and put a new one on, and now it looks even better because it looks exactly the same as the tooth on the other side and looks completely real. But before it was quite good, but not quite as good as it is now. So my overall experience with Dr. Joy's dental clinics has been fantastic. Dr. Calum explained every step of the way of what we were doing, made it very clear, and generally a very quick and easy treatment. So, that gives me a lot of pride to say I thoroughly recommend Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic, and I hope that you get a chance to come on down as well.